Good morning, students. My name is C.H. Devi. I working as chemistry lecturer in Dr. Lankapalli Bullai College in Visakhapatnam. Today we will discuss special reactions of phenols. These reactions are very important in exam point of view. Now, in first special reaction is Kolb reaction. Now, in this one, sodium phenoxide is acting as a reactant of Kolb's reactions. Now, the sodium phenoxide is treated with carbon dioxide in the presence of 120 to 140 degrees centigrade under 5 to 7 atmosphere conditions to form sodium salt of salicylic acid. Sodium salt of salicylic acid. Now, the sodium salt of salicylic acid is involving in further reaction with HCl to form salicylic acid. That means the salicylic acid is prepared from sodium phenoxide. Salicylic acid is prepared from sodium phenoxide by using Kolb reaction. Let us write suitable mechanism of Kolb's reaction. Now take the mechanical structure of sodium phenoxide. The mechanical structure of sodium phenoxide, O minus and Na plus. Now the sodium phenoxide is treated with carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide also write a mechanical structure. Now this O minus is shipped towards benzene ring side. Immediately this double bond is shipped towards ortho carbon side. This ortho carbon carrying negative charge. Now this negative charge is adding at carbon dioxide carbon. Immediately one bond shifted to oxygen side to form oxenium intermediate. Now this double bond O and ortho carbon is newly bonded with carbon dioxide carbon. Now again O minus and double bond O. This O minus is partially bonded with Na plus. Now in this one, this ortho hydrogen bond is involving in delocalization. To form oxenium ion. This oxenium ion is abstracting these H plus ions to convert hydroxy group. That means this ortho CH bond is involving in delocalization. This keto group is turns to hydroxy group. Now the product is sodium salt of C double bond O Na. Sodium salt of salicylic acid is observed. Sodium salt of salicylic acid. Now the sodium salt of salicylic acid is treated with hydrochloric acid. Sodium salt of salicylic acid is treated with hydrochloric acid to form salicylic acid. And byproduct is sodium chloride. In Kolb's reaction, to prepare salicylic acid from sodium phenoxide by using Kolb's reaction, and this sodium phenoxide is treated with carbon dioxide in the presence of 120 to 140 degrees centigrade under 5 to 7 atmosphere to form salicylic acid. And another special reaction is Hemert-Tiemann reaction. And second reaction, Hemert-Tiemann reaction. In Riemann-Tiemann reaction, you take phenol. If phenol is reacting as a reactant, the phenol is treated with chloroform. Phenol is treated with chloroform under alkali conditions. Phenol is treated with chloroform under alkali conditions at 33 kelvins to form orthohydroxy products and parahydroxy product. Orthohydroxy product and parahydroxy product. Now what is Riemann-Tiemann reaction? And phenol is treated with chloroform. These are chloroform. Phenol is treated with chloroform with alkali conditions under 33 kelvins to form ortho product and para product. Now this ortho and para products under acidification with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. This ortho product is treated with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. These 2 chlorine atoms are replaced with these 2 hydroxy group to form OH and CHOH twice. CH and OH twice. Now this compound is unstable because this 2 hydroxy group does not exist on single carbon. Immediately this 2 hydroxy group is turns to aldehyde functional group by the elimination of water molecule. These are to form orthosalicylaldehyde. Orthohydroxy to form orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. Orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. Now again, this para product is treated with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. This para product is treated with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. Again, this 2 chlorines is replaced with 2 hydroxy groups to form OH and CHOH twice. Now again this compound also unstable because this 2 hydroxy group does not exist on same carbon. Immediately this 2 hydroxy group is turns to aldehyde group by the loss of water molecule. And the product name is parahydroxy benzaldehyde. And let us write the suitable mechanism of Riemann-Tiemann reaction. First you take chloroform. Now this chloroform is treated with under alkali conditions like OH minus by the loss of HCl to form CCl3 minus. Now this CCl3 minus is involving in further reaction by the loss of Cl minus to form carbene intermediate. This carbene intermediate is treated with phenoxide ion. Now this phenoxide ion, this O minus is shipped towards benzene ring side. This double bond is shipped towards ortho carbon side. This ortho carbon carrying negative charge. Immediately this negative charge is bonding with carbene carbon. That means a new bond is formed in between ortho carbon and carbene carbon. That new bond is indicating thick lines. C, Cl2 and minus and double bond O. Now in this one, this C minus is abstracting the neighboring hydrogen. That means ortho hydrogen. Immediately this ortho hydrogen, after abstracting this ortho hydrogen, the CH bond is involving in delocalization. To form oxenium intermediate. And CHCl2. And after this compound is treated with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. Now these two chlorine atoms are replaced with 2 hydroxy groups. The compound is O minus and CHOH twice. CHOH twice. Now this compound is treated with H plus ion. Now this O minus is abstracting this H plus ions is converted to OH. And OH, CH, OH twice. You know that this compound is very unstable compound because 2 hydroxy group does not exist in same carbon. Immediately this 2 hydroxy group is turns to aldehyde group by the elimination of water molecule. By the elimination of water molecule to form orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. To form orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. Now in this one Riemann-Tiemann reaction, we observe substituted benzaldehyde. We observe substituted benzaldehyde from phenol by using Riemann-Tiemann reagents. Now another special reactions of phenol is esterification. In esterification, alcohols or phenol is reacted with acid. Alcohols or phenols is reacted with acid to form ester containing compounds. Now you take phenol. Phenol is treated with acetic acid. Phenol is treated with acetic acid under polyphosphoric acid. By the loss of water molecule to form ester containing functional group. Now what is this name? Phenyl acetate.